Most of the houses of the Christian community in Gojra, whose foundations had become too weak to sustain the construction following the fires that raged, are being rebuilt. Victims say that even if their houses stood, they would still not hoist the national flag to celebrate Independence Day this year.
यहाँ के लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा बदजन है उनसे। हमारा तो 14 अगस्त को मनाने को या उसे एक अच्छा दिन समझने को भी दिल नहीं करता।
हमारे लिए तो अभी तक ये मुल्क आज़ाद हुआ ही नहीं है। ऐसे हमें लग रहा है कि ये हमारा मुल्क ही नहीं है। अगर हमारा मुल्क होता तो हमारे साथ ये होना था।
Victims chose to hoist black flags to mourn the violence which affected more than 100 families. 7 members of this house were killed. 6 of them, including women and children, were burnt alive. Others only sustained injuries, but their belongings were burnt to dust. The Chief Minister has promised the construction of more than 60 houses for the victims within 30 days, and it has been a week already.
सबसे बड़ा जो मसला है वो यहाँ मटेरियल्स को बाहर लेके जाने का है, क्योंकि असल काम जो है वो उस वक्त शुरू होगा जब ये तमाम जगह साफ हो जाएगी और यहाँ फाउंडेशन के लिए जगह जो है खोदना शुरू हो जाएंगे.
The victims eagerly monitor construction work. Some reside in these tents, where they are provided with free food by authorities and private NGOs. Although satisfied with the relief work, every day the local priests pray along with the victims, as they feel that they need a lot of support and solidarity.
People I have met from this colony, they are still very scared. And they are still under great shock and under great trauma. And there is still a lot of feeling of insecurity.
There is a lot of regret in the victims of Gojra violence, who demand the government take concrete action to avoid similar incidents.
जो 95C है ना, उसको तो ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए. इसमें कोई क्रिश्चियन या मुस्लिम कोई भी सेफ नहीं है. अगर आप किसी से दुश्मनी आपकी है तो वो कुरान पाक जला के उसके घर में फेंक दे, तो लोग इंतशार में आके उसका घर जलाते हैं, लोगों को मार देते हैं.
Although relief work is underway, victims of Gojra feel deprived of the complete rights of being citizens of Pakistan. As the rest of the country celebrates Independence Day, the Christian community in Gojra remain negative. They, however, say that if the government is willing to fill in the loopholes of the country's religious and ideological differences, then perhaps the national flag will replace these flags of regret. Daniyal Hassan, Dawn News, Gojra.